Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to unbox Chanel. It's just a little scarf that we bought in the airport of Paris before we came here in Turkey. So it was this time when we passed by the security. We went straight to the store of Chanel. I've tried the color white. And of course, the black that I prefer. Here it is. It smells good. So, I'm going to open this one. Looks like that inside, and the box is long like this. See the famous I think it's Camilla, the Chanel, that they always have this one. Even in the paper bag there is also this one. So this is the box of the they call it tuile. It's very small scarf that you can put on a bag, or you can put on your neck, or you can design it on your arm. So I'm going to open this one. I will take it away. It's just a stick on it and the ribbon. So we will open that one. This is it, and voila, it's a very small, it's a tuile. So you see all the iconic design of Chanel. You can see it here, the logo, the name Chanel, there is Coco Chanel, there is also the famous perfume, the number 5 Chanel. There is the double flap bag of Chanel. There is also the Le Boy of Chanel, and all their iconic, even the sandals are also here, and the famous clothes that are very expensive in Chanel are also in the design. So this one, we can put it on the neck like this. I can show you a little bit. Put like this. It's not so nice. Wait, we have to balance the length. The length of the both sides should be the same. Okay, so we do like this, and we tie it like a ribbon, and voila, it's like that. So I put it on the side, it's more nicer. So like that. You see, it's looks elegant. You know, there was another color, white, but I choose this one. I find it better, and the color is black, and if it will get stain from makeup or from foundation, it will not be very visible. You can also put this way, or you can close your polo shirt, and you can make it like a tie. You can make it this way, So what is that? It hurts. So it can be like this also. See? And so it's like a little Korean style. Or another way of wearing this one is you can put on your wrist here like a bracelet. But I don't like it so much to make it this way as accessories like this. So you can make like this. Not so much my type. So that's all for today. I just showed you the little purchase from Chanel. So it is this one. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.